Hi YouTubers, today I'm going to demonstrate to you an overview of my project's functionality, and in the next videos I'll show you a step-by-step procedure of how I did these functionalities. So we'll get started. Here I have three options. I'll begin by front office. So in the front office there are these options here, and when I click file I can either click the patient or use the keyboard. So this opens up. I had already inputted some data in the fields and saved several data before. So just for demonstration, I will show you the kind of validation that is in this application. So whenever I try to save, it says that you should start the last name with a capital letter, and when I try to save the company, it detects that there is no company, and the gender. And if I try to put in some data, say for example in this case I put letters, you'll realize that it actually beeps. When I put numbers, it it accepts numbers and does not accept letters. When I try to put some email, this is not a valid email address format. And when I say it accepts, and it requires an input for the preferred contact method, and you can select any. So you can clear, and for this I'm going to use the existing data already. So for example, I'm searching by last name. You realize that it's not case sensitive. I can search by either capital letters or small letters. So in the appointment section, whenever I enter data, it displays the name, and I can choose the appointment time and take a note, and I can also put a patient in a queue. So I want to put this patient in a queue. I'll select the date and maybe door number 4, and I'll save it. I'll book this patient, and I can bill the patient. You can also bill the patient, and say you also want to generate some reports. So this is the sample report generated. You realize that it shows the bill, the deposit, the discount, and the balance, and the names of the patients. You can print this report, you can save it, and you can use it the way you want. And the same for insurance. This is just sample data that I am using, and there's also a manual. So this manual I created for this application. So this is the manual. I did it for this application, and also let me choose doctor and say I want to view the queue. So this is the queue. For example, I want to call maybe the first patient. I select the door number, and maybe I can call this patient. Wherever this patient is, you can hear the name being called. What? Then this enter door number. Three. So the patient has been called, and there's also the details. Here you can enter some random data, and here you can also put some medication. And you can create an appointment for this patient. Uh, just as the front office. You can also view the appointments for this patient, and in the administrator section you can exit the application, you can restart your computer, you can shut it down, you can book a patient, create patient and payment as you've seen previously. Here you can also view the patient's appointments, queue and medications, and you can modify the patient. This is only for the admin. So the administrator can update, can delete a patient, can print all this data, and can also search dynamically. See, if we put a letter that does not exist, for example, displays empty, and if we put something that exists, so, and also the about section, you can open a website using this application. For example, I click the link and it opened. You see, this is the website opened through the application, and we are now in a browser, and there's also the time here, so keep watching. I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure on how I did it, so please do remember to subscribe, and if there's any question, let us know. Otherwise, let's get started. Thank you.